I can speak pidgin now. Have fun. How you did?
Continue.
How you did? Like waiting they stop, waiting they shell left for this place now. We there they do
stop.
We there they do spa treatment for this place. Yes, we there can't pay.
Every little thing you think you know, I'm here to tell you it should go. I'm trying to help you understand. If you would just take my hand and I'll teach you who I am.
Hello, welcome to today's video. Today I'm here with my friend, my homie, my sister, Mofe Ideh.
Hi guys.
CEO of Afrocentrics on Instagram. I'm gonna put the Instagram link for you here for you to check out our page. She has amazing designs on here, like really African, like really nice for African. I'm not even joking, like you check that out. So today, she's gonna tell us what we're gonna be doing today. So
okay guys, so we're going to be teaching you all how to do your affordable spa treatment right in your house, without spending a dime. And also we're going to be talking about how girls relate with girls. I'm sure all of you can testify to this, that girls are so awkward when we relate with each other.
Like we always want to know. We always want to know. So we'll be right back. So right now I want to just go and have a cleanse. I want to cleanse our face. We're going to be using the African black soap, raw, like it's nothing mixed, they're just African black soap. So we're going to go and wash our face with warm water to open up our pores. I'm going to be right back. Stay tuned.
Alright guys, so we are back and we'll be showing you guys how to make your DIY home scrub, and we'll be using sugar, honey, lemon. But before that, we're going to oil our face. So Abigail, over to you.
Okay.
To help you out.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're going to take our lemon, we're going to cut it into half. I'm going to just do over like so you just be able to see. So now that juicy, like you see how juicy our lemon looks. Then so we'll just take a bowl. I think I recommend using a plastic bowl because you know how lemon is harsh. So I'm trying to squeeze in all this juiciness and water. Wow.
Making you hungry.
As in like so then we're gonna add one, just kind of hold the sugar. 2 tablespoons of sugar actually, because we need more sugar than 2 teaspoons. Please, edge up. But since we are 2, I'm going to make it 3. So we're going to add honey. We're just going to use 1 teaspoon or 1.5. Yeah, it's so juicy. One, like, it's a bit more. So now we're just gonna mix. I hope you can see this until like it's like a very thick consistency, but not so thick, but like medium consistency. I know you can see the seeds. Don't worry. The seeds on our
natural
face.
stuff.
It's all natural. Everything you could have in your house, because I know you probably have honey and sugar in your house. The only thing that you probably not have in your house is just the lemon, and you can easily get it in the market. So it kind of smells like thick, and it smells kind of like natural. Yeah, kind of has a very nice smell to it. Yes. So now we're gonna add oil on our face because it could be the sugar could actually like kind of rough. So you're gonna add oil to oil your face. I'm gonna be using jojoba oil for the skin. Okay. So you know how this is like the processed oil to the skin serum. Well, that's what the oil that the skin produces. This is the closest oil to the skin oil. So it's going to be very helpful in moisturizing your skin. So just add it. You could take the honors.
You're the specialist here. I don't want to go through.
We're all specialists.
Oh, I
just have to research.
Yeah, true.
So Mofe, you want to talk to us about something?
Okay, so to make this really fun for everybody, we are going to be talking to you guys about how girls relate with girls. I'm sure you've been in a gathering and like even with guys, and a girl walks in and you're expecting her to say hi. Like you already have this smile on your face. You're ready to welcome her.
Like you're happy.
But like guys, she just gives you this like, what the fuck is this look? And she greets every other person there or every other guy there because she doesn't know you. She decides not to greet you. Like I feel girls are actually like too fond of this. If you walk into a room where guys are, you see the way they relate with other guys, like they just met that minute. But for girls, I don't know, it's just this very hostile kind of feeling. I don't know why.
I really don't know why. Like it happened to me just yesterday. I went to see a friend of mine And I saw a girl, like she knew she was greeting hello to everybody, but she didn't say anything to me. I actually say hello, like auntie, hello, like say hello to me, like I'm here. Like I don't know why we do that to each other. We are girls, like supposed to be there for each other. Like you are there, I'm the only girl there. You are the only girl there. Say what's up to me. I won't bite you. I won't kill you. Like nothing's going to happen to you. I don't know why we always do that to each other.
Security issues or like I don't know beef or what.
Beef or I know you from anywhere.
Exactly,
like that be beefing
that's
you.
killing me. But like I don't know.
So now it's time for us to apply our scrub to our face. So don't worry, we're going to come back with our talk.
That, yes.
So what else can we talk about again? So girls thinking about how we act to each other is actually really bad, especially when you borrow something from somebody. Like when you know you are taken from someone, you know that it's not yours. You know that you should actually like take care of it. Like it's not yours, it's not your money. You didn't spend money to get it. So like. Can you cut? Yeah.
Sorry. Okay, so yeah, I feel if you take something that doesn't belong to you, even if it was with permission, that's how you treat people's belongings.
And you should also learn to return it in time.
Yeah.
Should, like that, I feel like that also, like not only return it in good shape, return it also in time. Like it's not yours. Like person might need to use. Person bought it because person needs to use it, not because the person didn't buy it for you. So please.
True.
Like it's, I know like it's okay
just
to
for
return
like
that.
the same enthusiasm you used to borrow that stuff. I feel you should also have it when it's time to return it.
Keep that same energy, sis.
Yeah.
like that's like the main thing. Keep the same energy because it's really, 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 really important. So now, I didn't apply it on your face.
Still doing that.
I think I've gotten all my face, so I'm just going to like massage it for like 30 seconds, 1 minute. Let me just make it 45 seconds. So we're on time. So there's going to be like upward circular motions. So just use your two hands if you like, just like upward like this. Just walk into your skin. You see that the sugar is not really that harsh.
Yeah.
Because of the oil that was applied like previously to your skin, so it won't make it so harsh on your skin.
True, because like first time I tried this on my own, it was really harsh. Like after I rinsed off my face, I felt some stinging feelings
from the sugar.
Yeah.
So that's why you need to actually apply oil as your base to make it like easier and smooth. I feel this is going well.
I'm really tripping.
Timer is going to be done soon. Yeah, it's actually done. So we're done. I'm going to like, where's your napkin? Just clean your hands off. I think we're going to actually go again. I know we're always going. We're just going to use warm water also to wash it off. Let me just turn off this. Okay, so we're back again. So you can see this bowl of like hot steaming. Yeah, so we're going to steam our face now. I'm going to be applying Eclipse oil. This is Eclipse oil. It's almost done, but it's like still there. I don't know if you can see, but it's still there. I'm going to be applying a few drops, like 3 drops actually, into each of our bowls. So
I can smell mint.
Yeah, it's really, really minty.
Oh my god.
It's really, really minty. I'm going to apply. We're going to do this. This is how I'm going to do it. You're going to push your face for 1 minute, like 1 minute, and you're going to wait a little bit. Cover it up. Yeah, 1 minute, cover it up. But you're going to use your towel to cover it up. So it's just basic steaming, like if you had cold, but it's just for your face instead of cold instead. So taking our towels.
So we're bending this way.
Yeah, we're bending over it.
Okay.
So we'll see you guys soon.
A few moments later.
Oh my god. So we're done steaming our face. You can see like steam is real. Like it's so real. Done steaming our face. So now we're about to make our facial mask. Then I'm gonna apply it on our face and let it sit for 30, 20 minutes or 45 minutes, like never let it.
So I was going to ask, this mask, are we going to scrub?
No, just apply it and just let it dry. Just give your skin like the nutrients in it, nutrients that you have opened. When you open up your face with the steaming, your pores are opened up now. So just going to like apply it, just put everything back in.
Alright, let's get to it.
So we're gonna be using Bentonite clay. We're gonna be using your raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar, and last but not the least, activated charcoal. I know it's like this, I made it myself, but it's activated charcoal. Yeah.
Okay. Wow, you're really good. You made it yourself.
It's just cool. So I'm gonna take the bowl. I'm going to add. So when we were making our marks, like you can see how we look already. Like the camera went on, like everything just went on, like it's just so annoying.
Yeah, really sounds.
So we just basically used bentonite clay. We used apple cider vinegar, bentonite clay. Show them how it looks like, and activated charcoal. So it's like it's really really sad. But this is how it looks like basically. We mixed 2 tablespoons of bentonite clay, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of the activated charcoal. So this is how it looks, and this is how it looks on our face. We already applied, it's already drying.
Yeah, this is close to almost drying.
Yeah, it's almost drying.
And hers looks, it still looks a bit glossy. I don't know why.
Are you
At the
serious?
same time, yeah.
Oh my god, I didn't even know.
Looks glossy.
So this is basically what it is right now. So I'm going to wait for 30-20 minutes. I want to get back to you on the next step for our spa treatment.
And I was going to say, I feel this is actually better than buying products, branded products, because you know everything you're putting into what you're using on your face. You're the one putting it yourself. And I also feel like a lot of us do not read what they write at the back
Like
of
that's like
products.
so
For
key.
example, if there was something here, I feel most of us actually don't read it.
You just look at like what it does. Like, it'll be like, oh, like it removes all your pimples, remove your.
Yeah,
But
they
won't
don't
check
care
actually.
about the content.
Yeah, the
things
ingredient
they're
that
using
you're
it.
using.
Yeah.
So we're gonna get back to you soon. So ciao.
So alive, make it last.
Right now we're back again. We've washed off the marks of our face. You can see how our face looks like. It's kind of like it needs to be dry because of the clay. But like we're gonna be alright. We're gonna like moisturize and tone our face. So we're gonna tone our face right now. We're gonna be using one of my favorites. You know what it is? It's rice water. Like I'm the rice water girl. And so we want to spray rice water on our face. And if you want to know how to make rice water, I already have a video on rice water and the effect of rice water. It's a very very great toner. I'm using it as a toner. So I'm just gonna spray it on our face. So you go first. Just spray it, like close your eyes and and spray it like. This is a new way I'm using the rice water now. Like you don't have, if you want to use it with a cotton board, you can. But I like to spray it now into my face. Just want to close your eyes and like you also drench, like you're applying your, what do you call that thing? It's a spray for makeup. You just said it. I'm sorry. Sorry, use your tissue to like get it out. Sorry. So now, like she's not mistake put it in her mouth because I'm already used to using it. That's why. So basically, like I know it's a lot, but you're supposed to just let it like dry.
You didn't get here.
I didn't get here.
No, for me.
No, you should get everywhere.
Everywhere. Okay.
Yes. Whew, I feel like it doesn't dry as fast as it usually does again on my face. So
Do we use artificial
hand
hair?
fan?
Yeah.
Okay, let me just get the hand fan. So now I'm back. We're going to be talking about
Is it getting to you?
yes, it's okay. We're talking about how to handle like hate comment and like when people like go against
Negative
you,
comments
on social media, especially like from girl to girl. Like I know, like you hold like you're meant to like ride for each other, you're meant to like be there for each other, because you know what we go through. We go know the beauty struggles we go through, the pain of the menstruation, like they have to like things we go through daily. Like as girls to girls, you should understand the struggle and how to like be like nice to one another. But like people still like hit on each other on social media. The whole Nicki Minaj Cardi B things are actually one of the things that actually promote things like that. All those rappers everywhere online, like always. So like I'm like why you gotta do this for? Like what do you have to? Why do you have to like abuse each other? Like there's no need. So like what do you think about like people that
I
like,
feel we don't even have to go far. I feel in our daily lives we get negative
like
comments
everything's
sometimes.
already like the stress of life. Not even there. The stress already is enough. Like and you
It's
just
really
start abusing
depressing.
people. No.
Very depressing. Like people that do this make others live fake lives. You get like you don't want to put everything you're going through on social media. You only want to put the good parts, which is not supposed to be. You rather not put any part at all than for you to select the parts that would depress people or make them think. Like there used to be a time when I'll go on Instagram and I'll be like, God, why is my life like this? Do you get?
I know, like you
see
shouldn't
so many
feel like
flashy
that.
stuff. Yeah. So like at the point I had to delete Instagram. Then I got myself back together. Then I started using it again. So I feel if you're going through the same thing, you do not have to, like everybody has like their own race in life. You have
their
your
own journey,
purpose
like,
and everything.
you get there, just believe like and work hard
Work
actually.
towards it actually.
And pray and actually like put God in it and everything.
Yeah.
You have to find it at the end of the day. And I believe like if someone is actually like attacking your social media, you don't have to reply honestly. You can just actually like they can actually like, is it block? I think they block the
Ignore,
comment or something.
delete,
Yeah, or spam
there's
something
so many
like
other
that.
things to
You can
do.
like, you have things to focus, like put your energy in something,
Yeah.
something that is worthwhile, something positive. Like think about something that is better, that's going to give you something, a good result in the end, not something like you're on your phone arguing and fighting. Like who has time for that? Like you do better things with your life. It's almost dry, so we'll get back to you when it has dried.
We gotta go.
So welcome back. We need to welcome you. Okay. We just finished applying toner, and you can see our face has dried off. The ashita has dried, completely dried. You can see how it looks like. So you can see my injury here. It's already like clearly off. I don't know. They've cleared off the sky off. I don't know. It peeled it off basically. Not the ashita though. I think it's the marks. So we're gonna moisturize our face right now with jojoba oil. We're gonna take it because it's a very, very natural oil close to our skin. So you just like take the one that. Make sure you use clean hands. Always need to use clean hands. So. This is gonna shine. Just like a little actually, because it's actually like get into your skin, because it actually like absorbs, like skin absorbs this oil very easily.
Yeah,
so after a while it's going to like go down. You can see our glow. We're glowing, even though we're oiling our skin, we're still glowing. So this is how after your spa, and you let the moisturizer, like you let the moisturizer sink into your skin for a while, and you're good to go.
All this done in the comfort of your house.
Like you don't need to spend any money, just like basically
can't
just like
believe
utility things you already have in your house. I know you have a moisturizing oil, even it might not be jojoba oil, it could be any oil. What else do we use? Basically we just use hot water, we use our lemon, our sugar, our honey, things like that. But like we're looking good, like we feel I feel actually refreshed. Don't you feel refreshed? Like my skin,
I'm
like
excited.
it feels
I feel
tight.
like
Does it not feel
and
tight?
I feel like I can finally breathe. My skin is breathing, and like my color is coming back.
Like we're popping, like popping, sis. So now basically I just want you to actually like act better to your girls around you, like act better to them, treat them right. We're supposed to write for each other. We're girls and girls like all over the world. Female folk in general, like we're meant to be there for each other. We're meant to like stand strong and like be there for one another. Because if no be like if you be no I don't know what I'm saying, but we're meant to be there for.
Are you trying to speak broken?
Yes, I'm trying to speak pidgin. I can speak pidgin now. Have fun. How you did?
Continue.
How you did? Like waiting they stop, waiting they shell for this place now. We there here they do.
Someone tell her to stop,
We there
please.
here they do spa treatment for this place. Yes, we there here can't pay. Please, I beg. We there here. So we're done together. So thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe.
Thank you so much.
I like this video.
Yes.
Check out Afrocentials on Instagram. I'm Afrocentric on Instagram. I'm going to put the link in the description box, and also here I'm going to show you. Just check out my Instagram also. Thank you very much for watching this video.
Thank you for sticking with us.
And don't forget, you can always do a spa treatment in your house. You don't have to
Yeah,
go
you don't
anywhere.
have
You
to
don't have to
spend
spend
so much.
anywhere. You can just do it in your house when you're less busy.
And I
Maybe
feel
like,
after this you should get like a full body massage.
Yeah.
And sleep.
and eat healthy also.
Yes,
Yeah.
sleep a lot.
Thank you very much. Bye.
Bye guys.